Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your MetaQuest 3 not charging. So the first problem should be your USB-C port is not clean, so try cleaning that with a brush or something like that. Don't put anything metal in there, and after that, if that doesn't help, make sure your cable is working. So those are the pretty basic ones. And if that doesn't work too, just try to factory reset it. So what you'll need to do is hold the power button to fully shut down your headset, and then hold power and plus volume down buttons. So hold both of two. So find the volume down button and basically the turning on button and hold those. And after that, you'll see the boot menu, and you'll see the boot menu and use the volume buttons where it says factory reset, and then just click on the finally factory reset and basically press power button to select and confirm it. And that's how you fix your MetaQuest 3 not charging. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm. See you in the next one.